Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Let's talk about a proven way to make money online. And I'm going to talk to you about, these are brand new stats and newbie friendly that will blow your mind. From the end of May, calculations have been made, and you're going to see info that is not old because it starts at the end of May, so that is cool. And this is all about real live proof. It's an incredible thing when you can start at the end of May and come up with real live proof that fast in less than 2 months. It must be crazy, a highly effective business model to come up with that, to be able to have that info and have that kind of results. And no company starts out, and we actually launched the end of May, but no company starts out that soon, and we've got all these people that have income and real live results because of it. That is just not possible normally. This isn't normal, okay guys? This is not normal. This is incredibly amazing business model that works fast, and we all want that, right? That is very important for each one of us. When you start something like this, you don't want to go slow, you want to go fast, and you don't, you really need it, so that's why you want to get involved with it. So it's really important that it works, and it works quickly, and we have that here. We definitely have that. I'm excited to share that with you because it's phenomenal, really. Okay, we launched the end of May, and so we had at that time around 100 people, okay? And then fast forward almost 2 months later, right? And we have now 1,369 people in our hive that we have that are either looking or they're involved and earning. And I've been paid every week since I got started. Now, what do you call that? That's consistent income. And I'm going to show you at the end of the video my proof, because this is about proof, and I'm going to show you about my proof at the end and show you exactly that inside my Stripe account what I have earned so far. So you definitely want to see that proof. What I like so much too is that it is simple and easy to check it out and to see what everybody's doing and to learn exactly what you would be doing, exactly what the whole layout of what is involved with this company and what makes us so very special. Of course, no sales, no marketing. That makes us special because, most people get hung up there, right? They just can't get past it. They don't know how to do it. They just having a hard time, and they start program after program and have the same results, 0. We don't want that. We don't want anything to do with that. We are an incredibly active earning team of people, and that is everything when it comes to earning online. That's what everybody needs, exactly that. And we have this hive I was talking to you about, where we get inside. Very simple, very easy to check it out. You can read exactly, lays out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of thing, that you can read and see exactly what we do and what's going on, and you can see all the other people that are making money. It is filled with people making money, and you can see all of that. So that is really important that you can see that, because not only am I making money, but everybody I'm around, everybody I'm working with is doing the same thing. And a lot of these people, a ton of these people are newbies. So what's that tell you? It's incredible, and you definitely want to be in that hive, because that's where the action is going on, guys. And that's what a simple place to put people. They learn everything they need to do, and they can get started there as well. So it's perfect, perfectly simple, and we are a proven way to make money online, which is what everybody wants, right? They want to know, right? They want to know what they do, how to do it, and it's simple. You just check it out. You let me know you want to get into that hive. You want to know exactly all these people that are making money. You want to see it, right? You want to see what they're doing and how that's going on, and where you can be doing and have all that going on too, because it's so much fun. It is just a blast. So you definitely want to get back with me about the hive. You want in that. You definitely want to see everybody and what they're doing, and it's good proof. Oh, it's a beautiful day in Alaska. Just love it. Absolutely love it. So anyway, I want to tell you that you also want to check out my site. You get a website free that comes with your system. So you want to go there because it has details, and that's one of the places you would go to join. You definitely have to go there. So you want to go to my website, seethisnow.biz. Just type that in, or you can go to my description and find it. That's no problem. And type it in and check it out, and it'll lay everything out. Exactly what you would do, how much it costs, which there's a level for everybody, which is very cool, because nothing is going to stop you from doing this. Absolutely nothing, unless you choose not to, which I wouldn't advise it if you're looking for extra income. If you're looking for full-time income, you definitely want to get on board. You want to check it out. So go to my website, ask me about getting in that hive, and I'll let you in. Absolutely. You'll get all the proof you need, besides my proof at the end of the video here. So be sure and do that, and I appreciate you watching my video. So bye from Alaska. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I am inside my Stripe account, so I can show you proof. And here's my name up in the upper left-hand corner of my account. You can see I've got a payment for $400, $300, $50, $750, and then another $300. And also, when we first started and we launched the end of May, we didn't have this account set up, so we got paid with Zelle instead. So my first week, I made $350, which would bring all of my amounts to be over $2,000 for 7 weeks, which is incredible to start out in a business and have these kind of results. And that's what I was saying earlier on, to have all this at the beginning, the first, less than 2 months, and all these numbers and this incredible payout is life-changing for people, life-changing for newbies. We have newbies and all kinds of people earning money inside our business model, and I'm just really happy to share this with you. I'm also going to put a photo at the end that shows my Zelle payment as well, so you can see that. So everything is lined up, and I have this incredible proof. And if you want an income, a consistent income for you at your home, and perhaps a full-time income, that's up to you. But you definitely want to go to my website and opt in and get it all laid out for you. And then let me know you want in our incredible hive, and I will put you in there so you can see everybody in action. It is a very active, busy group, because we went from like 100 to 1,369, probably more than that now. It's incredible. Grows every day, which is a very important point about a healthy hive, that we do have that growth every day, which is the secret, because it is so incredible and everybody's earning that people want in. People want to be part of it. So I just wanted to show this to you. I appreciate you watching.